What's up, guys? Hope everybody's well on this Monday morning. It's rainy here. At least it's not too cold today. But I was going to do a short little video to show you guys how you could do some really cheap TTrack. So I ran into these right here really cheap at Rockler. Before this, I made my own clamps, hold downs with just scrap pieces of wood laying around. And I would use, quarter 20 or whatever kind of bolts I could find, and cut some washers to fit in here without turning. So I got trimming the edges off so they had two flat spots. But after running into some good deals, I got this. But anyway, you can see how it works just fine. And all this is curtain rod. Standard, white, cheap as hell curtain rod. And I just painted my green because I love lime green. But anyway, if you guys are looking for a way to save some money, this works pretty well. But I will say this, it does work best if you go ahead and get you some T-bolts. It's less likely to bend up this thin metal. I can show you what I mean here. I'm not sure if I can or not. This drill press fence I built also, there's a couple spots due to the top. See those little indentions right there? Well, that's because I was using this right here. So it works, but the harder you tighten it down, it's going to leave an indentation, and then it just will not slide as good. The T-bolts definitely slide much easier. But if you're on a budget, this will get you by. It has me for years. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.